Hi, I'm Lyric, a disability studies student, cosplayer, and autism activist, here to update you about our progress on Activate, a project co-funded by Erasmus+. This video will focus on how our research is progressing for the Autistic Advocacy Academy. This academy will equip autistic people between the ages of 16 and 29 with the skills necessary to advocate for themselves and their fellow autistic people's rights. This academy will talk about different contexts, such as healthcare, employment, policy and legal rights, education, and digital advocacy. And in order for this academy to accurately reflect the requirements of autistic people, we are developing a survey to ask for their input. This will be open to officially diagnosed as well as self-identified or self-diagnosed autistic people who live in the EU. Participants can choose between a survey and an interview to participate in the research process. If you're interested, keep an eye out on our social media pages and our website to participate in the research. Thank you, and we look forward to keeping you updated on all the progress we're making with our project, Activate.